Hello friends, today we are going to see how to install iOS 9 in Lava X8. So we have to install iOS 9 in Lava X8. So before going on, first of all subscribe my channel, like this video if you like it, if you unlike it, if you don't like that, so unlike it, and if you like it then share. So let's get started. Hello friends, today we are going to install iOS 9 in Lava X8. So before going this, we have to go into recovery mode. So we power off this phone. So our phone is shutting down. After shutting down, press power button and volume up button for going into recovery mode. It will take a few moments. Now it is going to in power recovery mode. In recovery mode, first of all we have to clear everything in the phone, including the original ROM. So go into wipe mode and then select wipe user data, then yes, and then yes. It is formatting all the data including your files, movies. So before going this, you should remove your all media files from your phones. So I'm going to clear all. What it is a pre-flash. It asks you to remove the original flash. So you have to yes it. It will remove the original ROM installed on your phone. It will take a moment. And now it's done. Now we have to install zip. Choose zip from SD card. Go where you have put your file in your phone SD card. Here is my file. This is a ROM zip. This link is given in the description. So in description you have given two files. First is ROM and second is batch file. I am putting here. There is no video skip. There is fast forwarding. It will take a few moments. Now your installation is complete. I am opening it. Now your phone is starting. First time for initializing, it take a few moments. So I am going to skip forwarding video. Now initialization is complete. So look, here is iOS 9 installed on your phone. This is a theme of iOS 9. Everything is changed. See iCloud and iTunes apps. So everything is changed. So here is everything. But there is some issues. So remove that issues. We have to install batch file. That is given in description. So we have to power off, slide to power off. We have to go again in recovery mode to install patch files. Now power button and volume up button, go into recovery mode. Sorry. Oh. Now it's going. Yes. See the Apple logo? Now we are in recovery mode, so we have to install zip and choose zip from SD card. Go where you have put your file, patch file. I am going there. Select patch file where you have put it. Now it's installing a patch file. So now we are rebooting phone. There is Apple logo in back side and front side. That look nice. I'm going to power on. This can take a few moments. You have to wait. So now it's open. Yes, installed. Everything has done. So this is how to install iOS 9 in your Android phone.